Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I'm back with some happy mail, and this time it's from my dear snail mail friend Sandra. I just received her Valentine's swap package for me. Look how cute she put these stickers. I love this bunny stamp sticker and those two owls. So let's have a look and see what she sent. Okay guys, here we go. I'm so excited. I always love our swaps. She spoils me with so many goodies, and speaking of adorable goodies, she knows I love unicorns. Look how adorable this 4-pack is with 4 different colors of unicorns. How cute! And I see, I'm gonna save this for last. I think this is the flip book. Look how cute! Oh my gosh, so many goodies. Let's take the box away and show you what she got. More washi. I've been wanting this washi from Michaels. Thank you so much, Sandra. I can't wait to use this. Love the swans and the pastel colors. Look at these stickers. Adorable. Oh, they're awesome. So you can put this on your laptop or phone. These are great decals. And how adorable is this cute little lamb bag? We have never done a Valentine's swap. We've always done Easter and spring, so we thought we'd change it up. Let's have a look and see what goodies we have here. First up, Clearview Sharpie highlighter. Always need this, and I love the colors. We have yellow, blue, and purple. The next item, let's have a look. Awesome! I love this kit. Perfect for your plan. And look at those cute bow ties. My favorite color. And it also comes with washi. Let's look. Awesome! I can put this and use these stickers in the Hobonichi she sent me from our last swap. So if you want to see that, I'll put it at the end of the video. Look how cute these colors are. So it's back to back, and we have some awesome washi, a binder, a couple binder clips, and a ruler, and I love the clear pouch. And speaking of Easter earlier, look at these adorable Easter stickers. Love it. The girls, my kids, will love to use them as well. And she knows I love cats and dogs. I love this. This is so cute, Sandra. Thank you. And we have another one, unicorn. And this one supposedly has a leather feel to it. How awesome. Let's see. So it shows you in the back how to use them. Definitely can dress up your backpack, your purse, and even shoes. Oh yeah, that's so cool. I love the texture. More of our markers. She had sent me some of these last time. I think it was a different color set. These are dual tip. Always love to color, so I can definitely use this. A lot of them. And I love these. Perfect for spring. These are adorable paper clips. I love the birds. So cute. I'm going to make a project with that. Oh my goodness. The girl who knows me so well, we have our love for llamas and love the cactus. So cute. This is so adorable. Love it. And more of the alpha stickers. Can always use this in our snail mail. So we have, this is stickers by Sticko, and you get 50 pieces. Look how pretty. I love pink. These are sticky notes. I love the winter picture there. Oh, how pretty. So much to use. I love this. And all these page flags. Sometimes planned, that's cute, and sometimes wing it. Always happens. Love it, love it. And we have one more cute little goodie. How adorable. Lippy Pals. Look how cute! It's a squirrel. A foxy. Oh, I'm sorry, not squirrel. Foxy apple. How cute. We love llamas and foxes. Thank you so much. Now let's have a look at the flip book. Okay, here we go. We're going to have a look at her Valentine's flip book. My video of what I sent her is already up, so make sure to check it out as well so you can see what goodies I sent her and made her. Oh, how pretty. Look at the packaging. We have a felt fox with that heart made for you. That's so precious. Let's have a look. I'm just going to slowly. Okay. Don't you agree? Happy mail can make any snowstorm go away or any rainy day fade in the background. It always brings a smile. Oh my goodness. How cute. I did see a preview. She did a sneak peek on her Instagram. But look at it in person. It's so adorable. I love these. And look at that. Look at the details. Oh my God. Love it. Now let's have a look inside. Let's bring it in closer. Exciting. Oh my goodness. This is packed with cuteness. Look at these two pockets. Love it. Let's have a look in here. There's a pocket with goodies. Oh my goodness. So cute. I love this bow. Have a paper clip there. Let's have a look at what's in here. We have some adorable die cuts. Valentine's. Let's have a look. I love this. Oh my gosh, pineapple. That's so cute. Wait, gotta show you. And look how cute. You light up my life. Sandra, you just did that right now with all these. Oh, how sweet. Guitar. Another pineapple. This is so cute. I love that. With the heart. Aw, that's so sweet. So we have these. Let me just put it to the side. So now let's have a look at this next page. It says answers. Look how adorable these two llamas are. My favorite color. Mint and pink. Let's flip it over. I'm going to read that later. I just love these cute stickers, and I love that she used this elastic to put this these pages together in this flip book. How cute. Her currently page. Now we have our questions. How cute. So nice. And then look at that dog. And a little letter for me. And another envelope. Be mine. More goodies. Love it. Look how adorable these planner stickers are. I'm definitely going to use these. I love the sloth and the bunnies. Thank you. And then over here, we have another pocket behind this. Your llama fawn. How cute. That's a cute journal card. And then we have another one. Oh, how cute. Super adorable. And we have an envelope. Slide this out. I love this. Oh, how cute. How adorable is that? More goodies in here. Current fave sticky notes. Awesome. I can't wait to use these. I love how she packaged these. We have a fox. Oh, I love this guy right here. Hold on, just slide it out. That's a great, another way is instead of giving washi samples, I think the page flag samples is a great idea, especially if you're into planning or sending snail mail. I love these. Super cute. Look how cute this sheep is. It has like a little bookmark, but it's a sticky note. And of course, our favorite, my fox. It's so cute. Again, wanted to give a big thanks to my dear friend Sandra. Thank you for this wonderful Valentine swap. I hope all of you enjoyed the unboxing as well. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time.